So what happens if you have a vehicle that has a lien on it and your lien holder, the bank or the lender, whoever it is now out of business? Let's say you bought the car 5 or 6 years ago, you paid off the loan, or maybe you didn't pay it off, and now the lien holder is nowhere to be found. They're out of business. Well, the good news is that sometimes makes it easier to get a lien release, to get your title released to you, to get your title duplicated to you. It's a very specific process for sending out documents to that lien holder. Now, the lien holder may not be in existence, but they do have a registered agent. A registered agent is an official recipient of all documentation, all correspondence for a company. And if that company is no longer in business, you can send it to them. If they are not able to sign your lien release or your letter of non-interest, you can now take that to your local county magistrate with the right forms. It's not just like you can walk in the door and have somebody else sign on your behalf. So if the lien holder's out of business, you have to go through a very specific set of instructions. Our website, cartitles.com, has those instructions. We also have title consulting if you'd like to have some more direct one-on-one assistance with that. But the most important thing is, don't despair if your lien holder is out of business. But it doesn't automatically make the lien go away. You still have to jump through a few hoops. The good news is if the lien holder is not in business, they can't object to it. They have to let it happen. But you do have to make some certain efforts. The paperwork has to be done right. You have to send it to the right place with the right wording on it. And if it doesn't come back, that's not the end of the story. You still need to get somebody else to sign off approving that this happened, but it'll be very easy to do because they will see that that lien holder is not objecting to it. You're in the right. You should get a title, and it'll clear itself out. Again, more information on our website, cartitles.com. It'll give you all the instructions, specifically how to do it with every lien holder, like Santander or Chrysler, and you'll get your title.